The problem with selling AI automations isn't the automations itself, it's the approach. Everyone is learning all the tools, right? The N8N, the Make, the Zapiers, and they're building the automation. But then most people, they go and try to sell this to businesses and it's not working the way they thought. And here's why. They're starting with the solution and not the problem. They find an automation that looks cool on Instagram, on YouTube, AI chatbot, an AI voice answering machine, and they try to force feed it to these businesses. But 9 times out of 10, probably 99 times out of 100, that business doesn't need that specific thing. They have other problems that need to be solved. Let's say you convince the business owner to actually buy it. Well, guess what? Within 2 months, you're gonna get a chargeback, you're gonna get refunds, you're gonna get a churn. You're not helping the business, so it's never gonna be a lasting business model. I've been doing this for a while at the highest level, right? I see what is actually working and what does not work. Enforcing pre-built automations into businesses is never going to work. Here's what actually works. Become what I call a business architect. Someone who walks into a business and is able to diagnose the problems in that business. You look through the 5 pillars: marketing, acquisition, onboarding, delivery, retention. Then you find the gaps in those pillars, the bottlenecks, right? Where time and money is leaking. Then when you diagnose where they're losing their money, where they're losing their time, then you use AI to solve that problem. And over time, you start to realize that all these businesses have the same patterns, the same problems. Even though there are different details in the businesses, they're all the same. That's when you start scaling like crazy. You start closing deals that are much higher. Instead of a $2,000 chatbot, you're closing $50,000 lead gen systems. Tools aren't the problem. Actually, N8N can do some cool things. The problem is the approach, okay? So stop selling automations like they're a product and start selling them as a solution that's specific to the business. That's where the money is. If you want to learn how to actually do this, follow me for more.